Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Today we are going to talk about beware of covert depression, learn about the symptoms. Humans will face a heavier workload to meet the demands of life as they grow older. The burden of thoughts will continue to accumulate stress if not balanced with efforts to relax the body and mind. If this pattern continues, you may be suffering from covert depression. What exactly is covert depression? Covert depression is a condition in which a person feels depressed but appears normal on the outside. People with covert depression generally appear normal and do not exhibit symptoms of mental disorders, but they may exhibit depressive behavior at times. The subtle symptoms that cause this depression are referred to as covert depression. Although not severe, this condition can interfere with daily activities, particularly when it reaches the depressive phase. Because the symptoms are not particularly bothersome, covert depression may be considered a minor mental disorder. But make no mistake, if this condition is not addressed, the consequences can be severe. Covert depression signs and symptoms. Because the symptoms are unclear, people suffering from covert depression frequently appear to be mentally stable. Therefore, in order to prevent them from getting worse, covert depression symptoms must be identified early. Some of the more common symptoms of covert depression include 1. Different sleeping patterns. Significant changes in sleep or eating patterns can indicate an inability to control oneself. People suffering from covert depression are generally unable to position their entire life well and smoothly because the symptoms of depression themselves disturb them. 2. Lack of openness in expression. When a person suffers from covert depression, he will conceal his emotion and remain silent from others. For example, when people laugh but appear forced and unhappy, it's just to hide something. Not only are sad feelings hidden, but so are happy feelings. Furthermore, they usually divert the atmosphere with activities that allow them to express their emotions. For example, if the sufferer wants to laugh aloud, he will invite others to join him. 3. Frequently avoid people. People suffering from covert depression prefer to be alone and avoid social situations. The reasons vary, but the majority of the time they do not want to explain what happened. This is why covert depression is so difficult to detect. Even if the sufferer prefers to avoid it, never leave him alone so that hidden signs of depression can be detected early. 4. Appetite loss. If you suddenly lose your appetite when you previously did not, this could be a sign of covert depression. The reason for this is that people are rarely bored or even lazy to eat. People suffering from depression are generally lazy or unwilling to do basic tasks such as eating or moving. 5. Menstruation is unpredictable. Hormones and body metabolism are heavily influenced by emotions. Even if you believe you are in good health, your metabolism will tell you otherwise. An irregular menstrual cycle is one of the effects and symptoms of covert depression. Remember that the menstrual cycle is influenced by the hormone estrogen, which has a strong influence on feelings. 6. Constipation. Depression, including covert depression, is characterized by constipation. Because their diet is irregular and the digestive system is not functioning optimally, patients may have difficulty defecating. If you or a family member is experiencing these hidden symptoms of depression, seek immediate treatment from a psychiatrist or psychologist. The sooner it is detected, the sooner it can be treated to prevent symptoms from worsening. Thanks for watching Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.